Hi, it's Anne here. In this Mega Mail Out 2.0, I am going to show you how you are now able to mail over 500,000 people each and every day for free without any email list required and no expensive solo ads to buy. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I am going to show you a detailed demo of this software and the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out Mega Mail Out 2.0, just click on the link below and you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel. And to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's take a quick look at the bonus page. All of these exclusive bonuses will be available to you if you decide to purchase from my site. And all of these special bonuses will be right inside your account, waiting for you after you purchase the Mega Mail Out 2.0. Let's do a walkthrough together with the Mega Mail Out 2.0 sales page. You will now have the opportunity to mail over 500,000 people each and every day for free without any email list required and no expensive solo ads to buy. And building an email list is vital for internet marketers. However, it takes a lot of time and effort. And today, you'll be able to send up to 5 times emails in minutes to over 35,000 subscribers interested in the Make Money Online offers. And most people give up trying making money online, and this is because they can't afford to wait until they have built up their list. And right now, you can get access to tens of thousands of email inboxes all for free. And what if you could send them any offer that you wanted? And the Mega Mail Out 2.0 could transform your email marketing. You'll be able to discover top 15 sites where you can email for free, send an email to 35,000 people 5 times across 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche, access to step-by-step easy-to-follow videos, advanced tips on how to scale up your earnings, how to email your offers for the best results, and how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. No technical skills is required. Next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. And I'll come back showing you the different OTOs and upgrades available. And I will see you after this.
Welcome to this very quick overview of Mega Mail Out 2.0. I'm here in the members area. As you can see, you will find a welcome video from both me and my launch partner, Linda Van Tassel, when you first log in. And then we've got an overview of Mega Mail Out 2.0, and we go straight into setting up your Mega Mail. It's as simple as that, folks. All you need to do is to follow the instructions on here and get your email sent out to those 35,000 members. And then we will give you an introduction to the training where you can learn about the 15 secret sites where you can email, folks, up to 500,000 people every day for free. Now, people often hear this figure and they think it can't possibly be true, but it is, and it's something that you know, for the first 2 or 3 years that I was online with my own marketing career, I was doing because I didn't have an email list, and so I needed to rely on this cold traffic. But I was able to email you know, huge numbers of people every single day, up to 500,000. And you can do exactly the same. So all of those details are inside. So folks, for under a tenner, it really should be a no-brainer. You get to send out 5 solo ads and you get, you know, information that can enable you to send out 500,000 emails a day. I don't know what more you're looking for from a $10 product, folks, but if this isn't it, then you must have very high expectations indeed, I would say, because this one really does do what it says on the tin. You've got a 30-day money-back unconditional guarantee anyway. If there's anything that you don't like about Mega Mailout 2.0, although I can't think what that would be. So let's see you inside the members area and get your first solo ad sent out, and also end your daily mailing worries from this point on.
Welcome back. And if you decide to grab a copy of Mega Mailout 2.0 during this special launch, you get access to 5 fast action bonuses included in your purchase. Bonus 1, you get access to essential emails. Bonus 2, total traffic. Bonus 3, the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. Bonus 4, crypto crackers. And bonus 5, 5 killer lead magnets. The Mega Mailout 2.0 also comes with a 100% risk-free 30 days money-back guarantee. Let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase or to upgrade your front-end product. On the front-end side is the Mega Mailout 2.0, a one-time payment $9.95. You get access to 15 secret sites that you can join and send emails from without needing to build your own list. And you can mail up to 500k people a day, and also you'll be getting to send 5 times super solo ads to over 35,000 plus members across 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche. First OTO is the Mega Mailout 2.0 Pro version, a one-time payment $37. You will discover an additional 50 sites where you can send emails from, and also you get 500 times free solo ads to use across 25 of Darwood's own mailer sites, including free VIP membership across 25 of Darwood's own sites in the Make Money Online niche. Second OTO is the reseller rights, one-time payment of $47. You can sell it as if it was your own product and to get 100% commissions across the entire funnel. Third OTO is the exclusive Pro Rotator. This is an exclusive rotator only for people who get access to this upsell and can expect about 20 times more traffic from this rotator than from any others. The fourth OTO is the Executive Club, a one-time payment $37. You get notified a week ahead before the launch of all new releases by Darwood, and you get a review copy of the product and guarantee approval with even 100% commissions on the front end. Fifth OTO is the Elite Tigers Group Elite Membership, a one-time payment of $997 or 3 times payment of $497. You get exclusive offer that includes beta access to Darwood's new high-ticket program, and also you can be one of the very first to join this high-ticket program. And altogether there are 5 OTOs to the Mega Mailout 2.0. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Mega Mailout 2.0, just click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!